In this video, I'm going to show how to do the half double crochet 3 together stitch. Here I have a swatch that I made for a specific project, and the particular stitch I'm going to do is right here. I'm going to start off. This particular pattern calls for a chain 3 at the beginning, so I'm going to start by doing the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then to do the half double crochet 3 together, you're going to start yarn over. You're going to pull up a loop in the first stitch, or the last stitch you made. So in this case it'd be this one. Pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over again, insert into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Next stitch and pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over again, insert into the third stitch and pull up another loop. So as you can see, I have 6 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull, or I have 7 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 6. I have 2, and I'm going to yarn over and then pull through both of those. And so that is the stitch. This particular pattern calls for a chain 1 afterwards so that I'm not decreasing the number of stitches across the row. So I will chain 1. And then I'm going to do the stitch over again. So yarn over, insert into the last stitch that you made from the previous stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the next one, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the third, pull up a loop. I have 7 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 6 loops, yarn over, and then pull through the last 2. And chain 1 because of this particular pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the row. And then when I get to the end, there is 1 stitch left. I'm going to double crochet into that stitch. And that is it.